Hi, welcome to Concepts of. In this video, I am going to discuss computer knowledge part of BARC Junior Purchase Assistant or Junior Storekeeper exam, which was conducted on 28th February 2021. So let us discuss the question paper of BARC Junior Purchase Assistant. So let us start. The dash of software contains list of commands and options, and the answer is menu bar. All the deleted files go to. You all know this. That is recycle bin. To move down a page in a document, what will do? Will scroll. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. Next question. The task bar is located at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen. Next question. In which group do we work at the time of text formatting in words? That is table, paragraph, and indexes. Next question. Excel workbook is a collection of chart and worksheet. So the option is A and C. The option is A and C. Which one of the following software application would be the most appropriate for performing numericals and statistical calculations? Which which application? We all know this. This is spreadsheet where we do graphs and all these things. Next, which application is commonly used to prepare a presentation or slideshow? This is PowerPoint presentation. Next, what menu is selected to print? And the answer is here. It is file. Which type of file is created by word processing programs? That is document files. A dash camera is a peripheral device used to capture still image in a digital format that can be easily transferred into a computer and manipulated using graphics software. Which the answer is digital. Next, OCR stands for optical character recognition. Optical character recognition. Which process checks to ensure the components of the computer are operating and connected properly? Which one? The processing. Next, a chart is a dash, a real-time typed conversion. Next, which of the following is the communications protocol that sets the standard used by every computer that access web-based information? And the answer is HTTP. HTTP. Next one. Which of the following is not term of information technology? The answer is light storage. Spam is related to, I think here it is computers. So the answer is computer, not music, not game, not art. It is spam is related to computer. In order to tell Excel that we are entering a formula in a cell, we must begin with an operator such as equal to. You might have done. If you haven't, no problem. Next, what is required when more than one person uses a central computer at same time? The answer is terminal. Next, which type of computer could be found in digital watch? And the answer is embedded computer. Next, digital computers use a dash system to encode data and programs. The answer is binary. Next, which part of a computer displays the work done? The answer is monitor. Next, what term is used to describe using the mouse to move an item on the screen to a new location? Drag and drop. And the answer is drag and drop. Which part of computer provides only temporary storage of files? Temporary storage of files. And the answer is RAM. And the answer is RAM. Next, when you save to dash, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. And the answer is secondary storage device. The pictorial representation of a program or algorithm is called a flowchart. Next, which of the following is a popular programming language for developing multimedia web pages? And the answer is Java. A computer works on a dash number system. Which number system? It is a binary number system. The smallest unit in a digital system is a bit. Next, an error in a program which causes wrong result is called a bug. Is called a bug. Next, the function of an assembler is to convert assembly language into machine language. To convert assembly language into machine language. MS Word is an example of application software. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. If a new device is attached to a computer such as printer or scanner, its dash must be installed before the device can be used. We might have done this, that is drivers. Okay, we must install the drivers. Next, server is a computer which provides resources to other computers committed in a network. Terminal is a point at which data enters or leaves the computer. Is a point at which data enters or leaves the computer. Dash is a device which is used for data transmission through the telecommunication line. The answer is modem. Next, WW stands for, we all know this is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. So answer is the home page of a website is which one? The largest page, the last page, the first page, the first page. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you all.